Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to draw on Miro. So as you can see here, I'm in my Miro board. And if I would like to draw, I can easily go ahead and do that. So to draw, go ahead and look to the left hand side and you'll see create freehand drawing. So you click on that and you can choose what you want. So that could be a highlighter. It could be whatever it is that you want to draw or just a pencil. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use, for example, the pencil first. And then once you select the pencil, you can change the color of it as well and the size. As you can see right here, you have it, so you can change the color of that to ensure that you have something that you want to use. Now once you do that, you can start drawing. So let's say I want to draw on the line right here. I can go ahead and draw that, right? And if I want to go ahead and put something on the side like this, I can go ahead and do that. So here is, for example, a drawing. You can go ahead and draw in your Miro board. So if I want to use, for example, the highlighter, I can go ahead and use the highlighter as well, and I can change the color to whatever I want. And as you can see, I can use the highlighter instead. So whatever it is that you want to do, you can easily go ahead and do that. So that's pretty much all you can go ahead and draw in your Miro design, guys. Very easy and very simple. So I'm gonna just put, for example, a little sun right here. You can see you can go ahead and put whatever it is that you want in your Miro drawing. So that's pretty much it, guys. Very easy and very simple.